So guys, if you are trying to launch Hitman 2 or any game, Steam game, and you're getting this error failed to find Steam, don't worry, let's fix it. So first I tried launching the game normally from the Steam, but I got this error. So I tried going directly into the game folder and launching the exe manually, but I got the same message. So here's the fix I found. First, we need to go to the folder where the Steam is installed. For me, it's the program file 86 Steam, and now look for a file called Steam.dll. This is the original Steam file already included with your Steam installation. Right click it and click copy, and make sure you copy it, don't move or delete the original. Now go back to the game folder and open Steam apps, then common, and then find your game name, that folder. Now paste the steam.dll here, and that's it. Now try launching the game again, and if you get another message saying problem starting up Steam, don't worry, in my case Steam simply wasn't running, so close the error, open the Steam again and make sure the Steam is running. Now launch the Hitman 2 again, and there we go, the game will start normally. So if you are getting this failed to find Steam error with the Hitman 2 or any Steam game, this is the one simple fix for you can try. And remember, we are copying the original Steam DLL from our own Steam installation. We are not downloading random DLL file from the internet. If this helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple fix.